Hello, my name is Martin, and what I'll be demonstrating today is using the port scanning tool in Kali Linux called masscan. Before we do anything, what we need to do is figure out our IP address within Kali Linux, and it's demonstrated to be this IP address right here. And what we'll do is we're going to start masscan. So what masscan is, what makes it different from other port scanning tools like nmap, is the speed that you can do with masscan through the rate right here, which is 10,000 packets per second, I think, towards the host range of this IP address with a bunch of subnets, if you don't know what that is. But we're going to do penetration testing because it's illegal to do that without permission. And what we're going to do is we're going to try putting our IP address that we found here, 37, then we're going to do 0.1 to this, and we're going to make it 10,000. And we'll sort it like that. And the beauty of this is that in a normal scan like this, without the rate, it would just drag on and on. And also, we're only doing it with one host, so that's obviously a big factor in the speed. But after this is done, we're going to scan it without the rate, and we're going to try to see if there's any difference between the speed. And you can see it right here. The speed is a little bit relatively fast, but it's a lot more slower without the rate, as you can see here. So the one advantage that you can see here with using rate is with nmap is the speed, the rate of speed, as you can obviously see here. So we're just going to exit that, and we're going to suspend the process because I want to show you how to use not just with the entire port scan, but maybe if you want to look at other generic types of commands on masscan, if you're interested yourself. So we're going to do top, do ports, we're going to do the top 10. We're going to do rate again, because we want to make it fast. And we're going to do 10,000 like we did before. And boom, it just instantly scanned those 10 ports instantly. And it's just waiting. And the program is just waiting, pretty much. Probably because the speed was way too fast for the computer to handle than the program. Okay, and it scanned the 10 ports really fast. And we can make it without it to demonstrate how fast this is without the speed. Yep, it's pretty fast. If you're scanning the first 10, it's pretty fast for both of the programs. You're doing, yeah. And that's pretty much what I had to show you today. There isn't, you can do, also the cool thing about masscan is that you can scan the entire internet. But you don't really want to do that because some websites will track you and block your IP address if you don't spoof your IP address, or if you don't have a greater knowledge of hacking in general. So I wouldn't recommend, but if you want to do it on your own, you can just do 0.00, 0.0, and you can basically scan the entire internet. But to warn you, it'll take a lot of hours, and depending on the strength of your computer, it might take a very, very long time for the program to finish scanning the entire internet of IP addresses. But obviously you have a rate which will help you speed up that process by a lot. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. That's pretty much all I had to show you with masscan.